Okay, now let's review problems involving polynomial functions. So, paano i-apply yung polynomial function sa pagsosolve ng problem? Kalimitan ito ay ginagamit sa mga geometric figures, pagkuha ng perimeter, ng area, ng volume, and it's a matter of substitution only. So, tingnan natin yung mga examples under this topic. Number 1. So, given the figure, so meron tayong rectangle and the length and width of the rectangle is represented by an algebraic expression. Kasi ang length niya ay 4x plus 8. Ang width niya ay 2x plus 3. Sabi diyan, given the figure, what is the perimeter of a rectangular lot if x is 2 meters? So, ang choices natin, letter A, 40 meters, letter B, 42 meters, letter C, 44 meters, and then letter D is 46 meters. Since ang tinatanong ay perimeter, so alam naman natin na ang perimeter ay yung paikot, sukat paikot, i-add lang natin lahat yung apat na side ng ating rectangle. At dahil yan ay rectangle, pag perimeter ang pinag-uusapan, ang formula natin ay 2 length plus 2 width. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung ibinigay na width at saka length dun sa figure. So, we have here P of x is equal to 2 times the quantity, yung length, isubstitute natin ang length, 4x plus 8, plus 2, yung width, 2x plus 3. Then we just simplify the polynomial, multiplying 2 to the quantity 4x plus 8 using distributive property. So 2 times 4x, we have 8x, and then 2 times 8 is positive 16. Then do the same for this one. We have 2 times 2x, we have 4x. 2 times 3 is positive 6. So now we have P of x is equal to 8x plus 16 plus 4x plus 6. Then combine similar terms. We have 8x plus 4x will be 12x, and then 16 plus 6 is positive 22. So it represents the perimeter of the rectangular lot in terms of x. But the question is, what is the perimeter if x is 2? So, isa-substitute na lang natin dito. Since nakuha na natin yung perimeter in terms of x, so papalitan lang natin yung x ng 2. Actually, pwede nga mag-start ka na agad dito eh. Pero dahil nag-start tayo ng ganitong solution, so after this, P of x is equal to 12x plus 22. I-substitute na natin si 2 meters kasi ano daw ang perimeter kung ang x ay 2 meters. So, we have P of 2 is equal to 12 times the value of x, 2 plus 22. Meaning we have 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 plus 22 is 46. So our answer will be 46 meters, and that is letter D. So that's how to solve for this kind of question. Next. Okay, same figure, but the question is, what is the area? So, ngayon, area naman ang tinatanong is still if x is equal to 2 meters. So, we have here the choices A, B, C, and D. For A, we have 100 square meters. Since area, dapat ang unit na natin ay square unit lagi. And then, we have here 112 meters. Then, we have 100 for 14 meters square, and then letter D, 116 meters. For our solution, when we are going to get the area, we need to multiply the length and the width. So we have A sub x is equal to, or A of x is equal to, let's multiply the length, 4x plus 8, and then the width, 2x plus 3. Using distributive property, 4x times 2x, we have 8x squared. 4x times 3 is equal to 12x. Then 8 times 2x is equal to 16. And then 8 times 3 is equal to 24. Again, combine similar terms. We have 8x plus, add 12x and 16x, we have 28x. Then we have 24. Then to get the area, substitute the value of x in this polynomial function. So we have here A of x x is 2. So we have 8 times 2 raised to 2 plus 28 times 2 plus 24. And a sub 2 will be 8 times 4 plus 56 plus 24. So, simplifying further, we have 32 plus 56 plus 24, and adding this 3 gives us 112 square meters. Since dun sa choices ko, hindi ko nalagyan ng square meter yung 112. So, kung tutuusin, wala kayong pipiliin dyan na tamang sagot. So, you have to write the correct answer. The correct answer is 112 square meters is our area of the rectangular lot. So, the area is 112 square meters. Next, examples 1, 2, 3 again. So, paano kung ganito ang tanong? The volume in cubic feet of a rectangular hydraulic block is modeled by the polynomial function v of w is equal to 2w raised to 3, 11w raised to 2 minus 12w, where w is the width in feet of the hydraulic block. The question are the following for the given problem or statement. Number 1, based on the problem, W represents what? So letter A, is it the volume of the rectangular hydraulic block? Is it the length of the rectangular hydraulic block? Letter C, is it the width of the rectangular hydraulic block? Or is it the height of the rectangular hydraulic block? Kung titingnan mo doon sa problem, sinabi naman dyan, W is the width. So, meaning, the answer is letter C. Number 2, the polynomial function represents what? So, the polynomial function is b of w. So, it represents what? The volume of the rectangular hydraulic block, the length of the rectangular hydraulic block, the width of the rectangular hydraulic block, or the height of the rectangular hydraulic block. Sabi dun sa problem kanina, dun sa statement, the volume V. Ito yung function. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin is letter A, the volume of the rectangular hydraulic block. So, yung number 3 naman, what is the volume of the rectangular hydraulic block if the value of the width is 4 feet? So, to answer this question, ang gagawin mo ngayon ay mag-substitute ng 4 dun sa W and then simplify and then look which of the following choices will gives you a result if you simplify after the substitution. So, ganun siya isa-solve. Okay, another one. A face shield manufacturer determines that the profit P in thousands of pesos can be modeled by the function P of x is equal to 0.00000125 x raised to 4 plus x raised to 2 minus 3, where x represents the number of boxes of face shield sold. What is the profit when x is 3? So, may choices. Ito ang ating solution. So, the given function is 0.00125 x raised to 4, this is raised to 4, plus x raised to 2 minus 3. Just substitute. Substitution lang gagamitin natin. Substitute 300 as the value of x. So, here, we substituted 300 to the value of x, and then you just simplify 300. This is not multiplied by 4 because this is a power. Sorry for the typographical error. So 300 raised to 4 is 8,100,000,000. Then this one, 300 raised to 2. So this is a power 2. Meaning 300 times 300 is 90,000 plus 18,750. So, if we multiply 8,100,000,000 by 0.000125, it gives us 101,250. Then, plus 90,000 plus 18,750. If we add, gives us 210,000. So the answer is 210,000, letter C. So ang ginawa lang natin, nag-substitute and then unahin natin i-simplify yung may exponent, tapos simplify further by just adding and subtracting. Okay, that's the problems involving polynomial function.